If you've been looking for a 13-inch Windows laptop that is powerful enough to do content creation, well, Huawei might have what you're looking for. This CES coverage is brought to you by Unboxed. Unboxed is a platform for the top tech content creators on YouTube where they can help their audiences find the best, the newest, and the coolest products. If you don't want to miss out on my 2019 CES coverage, make sure to subscribe and enable those notifications so you can stay up to date to the latest tech. My name is Jonathan, welcome back to the channel, and I'm here at CES 2019, and I was able to check out Huawei's new 13-inch Matebook, which is a pretty sweet laptop, and it comes in a couple different colors and variations. The Mystic Silver model packs Intel's latest 8th gen Whiskey Lake Core i5, 8265U series processor, UHD 620 graphics, 8GB of 2133MHz DDR3 RAM, and a 256GB NVMe SSD. The space gray model is rocking the Whiskey Lake Core i7 8560U processor, a 2GB NVIDIA MX150 dedicated GPU, 8GB of the same DDR3 RAM, and a 512GB NVMe SSD. The 13-inch touchscreen display is really nice with a resolution of 2160 by 1440, packing a PPI of 200 and a screen-to-body ratio of 88%. It maxes out with 300 nits of brightness and it has a viewing angle of about 178 degrees. For photo and video editing, the display showcases 100% of the sRGB color gamut. For port selection, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack which doubles as a microphone jack and two USB-C ports that do not support Thunderbolt 3. The USB-C port on the left supports data transfers and charging, while the right side supports data transfers and DisplayPort. The one-touch power button is just like the one found on the MateBook X Pro, which securely logs you in and turns on the MateBook at the same time. Before we continue, let me just tell you a little bit more about Unboxed. Unboxed tracks and highlights top content creators and product review videos on YouTube while breaking down the latest trends in categories such as phones, computers, photography, video games, smart home, plus much, much more. All products are available to purchase directly to the site, sourced from retailers such as Amazon, Best Buy, and B&H Photo. Each product will have their own details page, which gives you an in-depth explanation and features reviews from YouTube creators. As a content creator who claims their Unboxed profile, you'll receive 100% affiliate revenue, and Unboxed takes nada off the top. All of the Unboxed profiles are automatically updated to reflect each new video to ensure that the creator's library stays up to date. Also, Unboxed recently released influence scores, which showcases the creators that are engaging with their audiences the most. So whether you're a creator, thinking about becoming a creator, or even a consumer, make sure to check out the Unboxed link in the description. Design-wise, it's extremely premium, being made of aluminum and featuring a 5,252 chamfers. Weight-wise, the integrated GPU model is around 2.82 pounds and the discrete GPU model is around 2.86 pounds, so they're very similar in weight. In the hand, they do feel pretty heavy and also a little thicker at 0.59 inches. But that goes with the extremely premium feel. However, if you're looking for a super thin and light laptop, this may not be the best 13-inch laptop out there for you. The keyboard is a full-size backlit, spill-resistant keyboard and provides 1.2mm of travel. It's extremely easy to type on and provides a great tactile experience. I love how they moved the webcam from the center function button on the MateBook X Pro to above the display on the 13-inch Matebook. Another great addition to the 13-inch Matebook over the MateBook X Pro is the Shark Fin Design 2.0 cooling solution. It's supposed to provide up to 8,000 revolutions per minute, increasing the airflow approximately 25% versus conventional laptop fans, while also lowering fan noise. Pricing starts at $999 for the Mystic Silver model and $1,299 for the Space Gray model. Both models come with a Mate Dock 2 in the box, as well as a 1-year subscription to Microsoft Office. I can't wait to get one of these in-house to really put it through its paces and test it out more thoroughly. For someone that's looking for a small, compact 13-inch laptop that is pretty much a mini workstation and capable of doing photo editing, video editing, even some light gaming, I can really see this being a good option. Let me know what you guys think about the 13-inch Matebook. Do you think Huawei has a hit on their hands? And if I get one, what kind of content do you want to see? If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and drop it a like and make sure to stick around for more CES content by subscribing, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.